Hi, I'm Ray. Welcome to Gardening Online. Today we're going to plant some potatoes for Christmas. So we're in middle of August. So growing potatoes is easier than you think, and they can be done in August and they can be harvested for Christmas. Some of the best new potatoes are early and second crop potatoes. Just when you're planting in June, it might just be worth saving a few extra potato seeds and keeping them to August so we can plant them for Christmas. For planting a quick maturing variety such as Swift or Rocket need around 100 days, and they can be done in pots. If you've not got a pot, a compost bag, and they can be ready for Christmas on your Christmas dinner plate. So they can be kept outside during the summer, and as soon as the first frosts come, move them into a greenhouse or into a polytunnel or somewhere slightly warmer. If there's any sign of blight, then that might wipe out your whole harvest. So what do we need? We need potato seed, we need compost bag, we need a bucket, and we need some compost. So all we need is our bucket. We fill the bucket up around 2/3 deep. We firm it down and we get our potato seeds and we gently firm them into the compost, and here we're adding 3 seeds per pot, and then just recovering the top with the rest of the compost. So if you don't have any buckets available, then you can use a compost bag. Just turn it inside out so the dark is facing on the outside. Punch a few holes in the bottom to allow drainage. And roll the top down just a little bit. That forms a nice bag for your potatoes. And likewise with the pot, fill the bag. Your potatoes, 3 feathers bag, firm it in, and then cover on top. Once the plant has grown, put a bit more compost on top, and then these are just going to sit outside their polytunnel until the frost comes, and then they're going to come inside. And the last thing to do is give them a good water and moisten that compost. So this is the potatoes we did at spring, and we also covered with a layer of straw, and now they've flowered. I'm just pulling back the first one. You can just see potato right at the top. So I hope that helps, and let me know in the comments if you've planted any potatoes for Christmas. And also check out my other channel's videos, and I did a harvest on Christmas Eve last year of our harvest from the allotment. So check that out and have a look to see what we did. So remember, in the spring, save a few potato seeds, or even go to nurseries or garden centres, and they might even be selling them in the garden centres from now on, just for Christmas harvest. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.